Check out Linda B everywhere. Check her out.
Yeah! Woo! It's the Boxing Expo in Las Vegas. Today we're gonna see merchandise, memorabilia, boxers, meet and greeting, fights, lots of people, lots of fans, up and coming boxers. Yep, the Boxing Expo. They travel around the country and they landed in Vegas this time. There, they opened the door. Finally, at 10:30. There we go. Oh God. I'm squished up against you.
Hey everybody. Let me take a place and get you on right now.
So we were all in line, and then it got bum rushed. Everything got bum rushed. We got right up to Lennox Lewis, because there's meet and greets.
Make sure you guys
So that's what we're doing. Getting in line for Lennox Lewis. So he's not coming till 11:30. So I'm gonna go explore. I'm in line for Juan Markel. Look at the line.
Cruise by over there in just a minute. And while you guys are waiting around, we're going to make our way around the expo.
That's the end of the line on the right.
Like every other Mexican warrior, they want to know. You don't have to call it out. You don't have to say, oh, I think this guy's going to win. My opinion is Canelo's experience versus Munguia's youth and just the hunger to get in there and not be afraid of him. That is the fight in itself.
This could be the fight. A lot of people are asking for Canelo because Munguia throws a lot of violent punches. I believe this fight is going to be very entertaining. This could be the fight that we're asking because they want Canelo to have a war. It's very unfair because that's a bigger weight class. But having Munguia is a violent puncher. He can make the fight very complicated. I'm going for experience. Canelo side, obviously, because he's my friend. But Munguia, he's no joke. He's going to go out there and fight with Corazón de Guerrero.
Well, I know I speak for everybody here that supports you, that follows boxing. You're one hell of a fighter. You're one hell of a warrior. We are so proud of you. Whatever your decision may come, you get out of there. You make us all proud as Latino Mexican fans and people of the sport. So congratulations. Thank you for that. Guys, you can't take pictures here when you go down there. Make sure you wait in line with the booth. Guys, give another round of applause. Oscar Valdez. We'll have more of these legends up here when we get a chance. I had to get them away because this line.
Arriba. So I got my autograph. It was $50. The boxing glove was $20. And now my friend's over at the Oscar Valdez. She's gonna get his autograph or photo or something.
Told you they just show up.
Romero?
Less than 20 bouts, 2 championships, bro. It's unheard of, unbelievable. I'm proud of you, my friend. I'm proud of you, regardless, man. And a lot of people don't understand what you accomplished with no amateur experience and less than 20 fights, 2 world championships. But enough about you. I don't want to brag about you anymore. The main event tonight. What's up? Who you got and why?
¡Viva México!
Oh, he's going for everybody. Give me a round of applause again. This crazy boy, my friend. Brother Romero. Get out of here. Go get him out.
Check out Linda B everywhere. Check her out.
Yeah!
Let's
Woo! Okay, if you're a fan, this is about how much this expo, if you're a fan, that you say
We're gonna pay for parking.
we're gonna do parking.
15.
Yep.
Expo ticket 30.
Expo ticket is 30.
I got a t-shirt. That was
T-shirt 30.
Autograph my glove. That was $50.
$50.
And then I took a picture.
50.
It's 25. So my tab was 150.
Coffee,
Coffee was $6.
I'm surprised too.
$60.
156.
And now
line for
And now we're in line.
for photos.
Photos, $25. Make you holla.
181. This is crazy.
So the champion wins $1 million. If the
All right, here's her son. What's her son's name? Your son. What's your name?
Oh, that's me. Oh, JR.
JR. You're gonna be fighting soon?
Yes, sir.
Cool. He's nervous. He's nervous.
Yes, ma'am.
You're gonna blow it off. Blow it off. Take a breath. You'll be fine. Breathe. Breathe. Watching the fight. Most of our fight. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support the channel. Go to patreon.com/Linda B everywhere.